Let us read A to Z sentences. R. You are kind. At. Look at me. And. I like bread and butter. An. I eat an apple. Am. I am happy. All my friends are here. About. I talk about my family. After. We walk after him. Away. The dog runs away. Be a good friend. Back. Please come back. But. He is small but strong. Big. I see a big dog. By. Sit by me, please. Can. I can read well. Come with me now. You did great today. Day. It is a sunny day. Do your best. Down. Sit down here. Eat your lunch now. Find your bag, please. First. You are first in line. 4. This gift is for you. From. I got it from my mom. Get some water. Give me 5. Good morning, everyone. Go. I go to school. Had. I had fun today. Has. She has many toys. Have. I have milk. He is tall. Here. Come here now. Her name is Anna. Him. I see him there. His. This is his book. Home. Go home now. How? How are you today? I love reading books. If I will go if it rains. N. The toy is in the bag. Is. This is nice. Just one more try. Keep it clean. No, I know the answer. I like cats. Little. The baby is little and cute. Look at me. Long. It is a long road. Make a wish. Me. Help me, please. More. I want more ice cream. My best friend smiles. Name. My name is Luca. New. I have a new car. No more noise, please. Not this time. Now. Do it now. Off. I want a cup of tea. On. The cat is on the table. 1. I have one red ball. Only you know that. Open the door. Out. Go out now. Play with us. Put it here. Quiet. Be quiet, please. Question. I have a question. Run to me. Rain. The rain is heavy. Said. She said yes. See the stars above. She is kind. So am so happy today. Some. I ate some good food. Soon. See you soon. Take a rest. Tell me more. That is funny. The tree is tall. Their house is blue. Help them learn. There it is. They are here. These is mine. Up, look up high. Us, join us please. You are very good. Visit, I visit my grandma. Want, I want candy. He was tired. She went home. We were happy. What is that? X-ray. The doctor takes an X-ray. Yes, I can help. You are my friend. Zoo. We go to the zoo.